Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix. To know how to find a solution about Netflix app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page you will enter to the window of Netflix and you click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop. Here we go to click OK. Then we will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.